predatory love doesn't just end a relationship, it fractures your sense of self. People often ask survivors, how did you not see it? But that question misses the whole point. The damage wasn't done in one moment. It happened gradually through small concessions, quiet erasures, and constant self-doubt. Over time, your instincts were questioned, your boundaries punished, your needs reframed as problems. In predatory love, the self becomes negotiable. Stability begins to depend upon compliance. And so you adapted, you softened, you explained, you shrank. When the relationship ends, the pain is the duality of grief and disorientation. You may feel numb, ashamed, angry at yourself, and uncertain of your judgment. Reclaiming yourself does not happen all at once. It happens in stages. First comes distance, then clarity, then grief for the version of you that survived. Healing must be about returning to yourself. That means rebuilding trust in your instincts, repairing boundaries, choosing consistency over intensity, and valuing steadiness over charm. Healthy love doesn't require your disappearance, nor does it punish discernment or demand your silence. Surviving predatory love takes time and patience, but it can be done, and support exists to help you reassemble your strength. In the final chapter, we'll bring all 4 love structures together, and we'll talk about how to move forward confidently without fear. Thanks for watching.